First of all, when we are talking about decarbonization of the industry and also small and medium companies, then we are offering in all products and from hardware to software for their own operations. So we are able to collect the data with our products, but also to consolidate the data and the energy consumptions in our Energy Manager or Energy Navigator product, for example, and then imported them into the SiGreen solution, which is a software as a solution. And here you're able to collect also then your Scope 3 data, which are coming from your supply chain, and also share this information to your customer. So I always talk about the T. So we from Siemens are able to offering the products and services for energy efficiency and collecting the data, primary data, for decarbonize your own operations. Everything what you want, from edge technology to the controllers, to the software, to the middle layer, and also to the Energy Manager. And also now with SiGreen, we are offering the connectivity to the supply chain, so you are able to collect the data from your suppliers, also in a verifiable and trustworthy way, and you are able to share your data then, which together with your own operations become also Scope 3 with your customer in a verifiable and trustworthy way. So in a certain way we have a complete package